All right, so in this quick video, we're going to go over step 3 with the installation guide. So what we're going to need here, we're going to need frame 3, F3. Again, so take a look at the sticker down here on the bottom right corner. Set this aside. You're going to need your trusty screwdriver as well as 4 more S1 screws. So what we're going to do here, similar to the previous step, we're going to go ahead and partially screw in the S1 screws into these top pre-drilled holes in the top of the posts, and then from there we're going to go ahead and set the frame into place. All right, once you have the screws put into place, get your frame. Again, in this case, we're going to have the F3 lining up with stickers on the other 2 frames. I'm going to line up the slots on top of the posts. Make sure they're in place. All right, and then just push down. The screws will line up with the notches, and then after that, go ahead and tighten the screws, and we're good to go on to steps 4 and 5.